Hello and welcome to the Dacatie Building Solutions Dacatie product training slides, where we're going to look at the Dacatie products available: cavity closers, fire rated products, cavity socks and insulated EPCs. Dacatie is a brand under the Quantum Profile Systems umbrella. Quantum Profile Systems is a manufacturer of products of quantum flooring solutions: Dacatie, Q-Wood and Q-Lean. Now, looking at our own brands, Quantum Flooring Accessories, we make a set of flooring accessories which is sold into the contract flooring industry, i.e. stair nosings, entrance matting, cap, cove, skirting and transitions. Dacatie Building Solutions, we're a manufacturer of leading cavity closers in the industry, fire socks, frame formers and insulated EPCs. Q-Wood is a composite timber alternative that we sell into the timber window and door market, and Q-Lean Solutions is the ability to make any product for a customer out of PVC. So if we quickly look at the other brands we do, Quantum Flooring Accessories, you can see a few examples: stair nosings, which is very popular, a lot of different transitions, entrance matting, capping and co-former. Q-Wood, these are all the component parts that make up a timber window or door, but made from a composite material. And of course, Dacatie, cavity closers, insulated EPCs, fire barriers. So if we look at a cavity closer, when these are fitted, there's two traditional methods. We have first fix and we have second fix. First fix is where you use ties in the brick and the block to secure the closer. Second fix is simply friction fitted. All our closers are BBA approved. They're all compliant with Part L building regs. We have check reveal options for the severe weather option, and 0 GWP and 0 OPD insulation. So the first product we're going to look at is the multi-closer. Multi-closers, we have two of, SF Multi and TF Multi. The SF Multi suits cavities between 50 and 100 mil. Now, the multi-closer is very easily trimmed onto site by the contractor. It's available as 2.4 metre lengths. This is a second fix only product. It's manufactured and delivered onto site or into branch within 2 to 3 days. And TF Multi, like the SF Multi, is a 2.4 metre length, trimmed on site, and this one secures a size of 110 to 150 mil. Superfix size closer, so away from the multi-closer, we manufacture to exact sizes. So for instance, if it's a 75 mil cavity, SF 75, and that will suit the cavity. These can all be made as 5 mil increments, available in 2.1 or 3 metre lengths. They are second fix only, so friction fitted, and 2 to 3 days we can deliver to site or into branch. Superfix Flexi Closer, very similar to the multi-closer, apart from the fact you don't need to trim anything to install it. It's almost like a sponge material, so ideal for random stone or variation in the cavity. Available as 2.4 metre lengths, second fix only, 2 to 3 days, again delivered onto site or into branch. The TF1000 cavity closer, this closer suits cavities between 50 and 100 mil. Again, made in 5 mil increments, and they are available as 2.1 or 3 metre lengths. Now, this product is a first and second fix option, so it can be tied into the wall, and this is typically 2 to 3 days delivered to site or into branch. TF2000 size closer. Now, this one supports any cavity between 110 and 160 mil, 5 mil increments again, 2.1 or 3 metre lengths available. And like the TF1000, it's a first and second fix option. Now, away from our standard non-fire rated closers, we have one of the largest range of fire closers in the industry. All Dacatie fire rated insulated closers are clearly marked with a tape of that product and that can be a fire barrier. It's certified by the BBA and therefore meets the building regulations Part B1. Dacatie offer the largest range of fire rated closers from 50 mil to 170 mil and from 30 minutes to 1 hour. A question that should always be asked when anyone's asking for cavity closers: does it need to be fire rated? And as we look at our products available under the fire rated banner. SF fire rated. Now this product suits cavities between 50 and 100 mil. It's a 60-minute fire integrity rating. Similar to the non-fire rated closers, they can be made in 5 mil increments. Now all fire rated products come as a 2.4 metre length as standard. And the SF fire rated closer is a second fix only. 2 to 3 days delivered to site or into branch. TFR 1000 fire rated closer. It's again 50 to 100 mil suitability. 60-minute fire rated integrity, made to suit the actual size of the cavity, 2 to 3 days, delivered to site or into branch. TFR 2000, it suits the bigger cavity, which is 110 to 160 mil. It's a 30-minute fire integrity rating, 5 mil increments on the sizes, 2.4 metre lengths, and this has the option of being fitted either first or second fix. And the final cavity close we do is the XFR 2000. Now this is a 60-minute fire integrity rating. It's 5 mil increments between each side. It suits cavities between 100 mil and 170 mil, and it's a second fix only. This one is a 5 to 7 working day delivered to site or into branch. So when we're looking at the second fix and how we are fixing them in with the ties, the code for these ties is DTU. They're suitable for the TF1000, the TF2000, and also suitable for all frame former profiles. Supplied in bags of 100, specifically designed for the house builders, and the way you would use these is you stagger them from brick to block, roughly 225 mil each side. So another product in our range is the DF and the DFP frame former. Now this suits cavities 100 mil, 125 and 150. It's an insulated former profile and it's made in stillage loads and sent into our fabricators. It's also available as a check reveal, and for quotations you send us over the details and we will quote against the window schedule. Another frame former profile we do is the D2000. Now this product suits cavities between 50 and 100 mil. It's a 60-minute fire integrity rating. Similar to the DF, it is sold into stillage loads into fabricators, and this one complies with building regulations Part L and Part B. We have a range of insulated DPCs available, various sizes, bespoke sizes available. They are 60-minute fire integrity rating, suitable for party walls and floor junctions. All insulated DPCs are typically 3 to 5 working days delivery onto site or into branch. It's an easy to install product as the brickwork is constructed, and they can all be used vertically and horizontally. Fire socks, an extremely popular product we sell into merchants and onto site. Sizes vary from 40mm to 350mm. Very easy to install, highly versatile. These can be fitted vertically and horizontally. These are traditionally used at party wall junctions and wall plates. For anywhere that needs a fire barrier, this is the option. This is the correct product for the job. 1 hour fire rated, and we also do a 200mm wide and a 300mm wide. Set size packs with all colour coded. Now away from our products, Quantum or Dacatie has a project sharing scheme where we target architects, specifiers and quantity surveyors all across the UK, work with them on particular projects, get our products specified and point them in the direction, or point the contracts in the direction of the distributor nearby. We work with architects and specifiers directly, and we have a REBA approved CPD called Close That Cavity, where we talk to architects and specifiers about projects they have on currently. We talk about the regulations involved and the compliance that our products can make. As far as the merchant is concerned, Dacatie can offer trade days and open day events, buying group events, any merchant training directly face-to-face with the trade counter guys or the sales guys, merchant point of sale for the trade counter, and general support. And if in doubt, you ask the question. Advice is always available. Data sheets are on the website. BBA certificates are also on the website. We can also visit site if need be. Dacatie app is available. And we have a fantastic customer service team at Quantum. So Dacatie Building Solutions is your one-stop shop for cavity closers. Thank you.